Well, here's a good way to ruin a early morning ride. This is on a tiny back road south of Hiawassee, Georgia. And this isn't much of a curve, but apparently this yahoo couldn't make it around the curve and ended up in the trees. Good times. But at least it's pretty. The sun coming over the mountains. I wish I would have got that for you. Look how calm the water is here. This is the southern edge of Lake Chattooga, Hiawassee, Georgia. Part of the Hiawassee River Dam, kind of, sort of. TVA dams up this water to create a lake. It's the first time that these record operators have ever used a slide truck, so they finally got a small pickup truck loaded up on the back of it. Maybe we'll be able to proceed on. It's 20 after 7 in the morning. Well, it's got to suck if this was how your day started heading to work. At least traffic's coming in the other direction. Fingers crossed. Let's hope this is the only law enforcement I see all day today. There's nobody behind me. I'm not sure why we're not going. I'm pretty sure the guy in the Toyota is inbred. Oh yeah, he ended up in those trees nicely. Ram 1500. All right, let's hope that's all the excitement I see this morning.